Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. So the first one is in the shade Emerald, and this is from Revel nail. And the next one is from the brand Cucciopro, and this is in the shade Aquamarine. And for the liquids, I will be using the Revel Nail Pro Base as well as their activator, and I'm also going to use my Miss Nails No Wipe Top Coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail primer to all of my nails. And once it's all dry, I will be using my Pro Base and apply a thin layer of this to my nails, and then immediately dip my nails into the powder and tap off the excess. So I will be using this Cucciopro Aquamarine on my ring, pinky, and thumb. As you notice, I do double dip just because I want to make sure that my nails are properly covered with powder. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 coats of this powder and I'll be back. So then after the third coat, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the Revel nail in the shade Emerald. So I apply this powder on my pointy and middle fingers. So as you notice, I don't actually dip my finger into the powder just because I find that when you dip your fingers into the powder, you don't really get a lot of chunky glitters on your nails. So instead, I lay my nails on top of the powder. Then in that way, you will get a lot of chunky glitters on your nails. So I did 3 layers of this powder on my nails, and then once it's all done, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my clear powder to encapsulate and protect the colors from filing and buffing. So once I'm done with the clear powder, I brush off all the excess and move on to the activator. So I apply a generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. So what it does is it will harden the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera. And now I'm going to brush off all the dust and clean my nails with the alcohol and move on to the top coat. So I'm using my Miss Nails No Wipe top coat and apply a thin layer of this to my nails and then cure it for 30 seconds and then apply the second coat and again cure it for another 30 seconds. So then after that, I apply cuticle oil off camera and we are done. So that's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.